Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you guys how I usually stretch my natural hair with no heat using African threading method. And then I've had these cornrows for 3 months, and then I usually co-wash my cornrows. And then I will put a video in the description box below how I usually co-wash my cornrows. I have the video on my second YouTube channel, Freedom Beauty. And I will go ahead and moisturize my scalp first using Freedomstyles Magic Hair Growth Oil, which all the details will be in the description box in case you are interested to order. And I will go ahead and take down the cornrows like this. You can see.
Where you been at? You been going.
You can see I will try to detangle the hair like this gradually before I will go ahead and co-wash my hair. And you can see the thread. This one is called rubber thread. If you are from Nigeria, you'll be familiar with this. And if you want to order my oil, you also want to get the thread, you can buy from me because I have a lot at home. And there you can see this is how I usually stretch my natural hair. I hate using heat on my hair. Maybe I will straighten my hair in the future time, but now I am so happy using this method to stretch my natural hair. I'll go ahead and take just 2 strands, stretched a little bit. We just use it to wrap my natural hair like this. You know, if you are to detangle your natural hair, you know you need to start from the ends. And using this method, what I'm after the ends of my hair, because that is what is important, and that is where I am getting shrinkage. I usually focus on the ends of my hair because the ends of my hair, oh my gosh, the shrinkage is really
away for some time, but you know I only ride with you. So come talk to me. You ain't never changing, but baby that's okay. 'Cause I'd rather be wrong than right without you. I hear my heart saying, even when we can't see all the perfect things about you and me, girl, we smile and make the pain go away. They say we won't stay, but we stay. Hey, somebody tell the world they can't hold us, 'cause don't you know we'll always be lovers. People come, people go, but baby we'll always be here. I don't wanna make the whole world hate us, but what we got makes the world jealous. People come, people go, but baby we'll always be lovers. Baby, I can see that.
You can see I am done. And I go ahead and apply Freedomstyles Magic Hair Growth Oil on my scalp. I make sure that it's not too tight because I'm very sensitive. And apply Freedomstyles Magic Hair Growth Oil on my scalp because I don't know how long I will be keeping the thread. Make sure to massage while applying it. And I just tie everything together. And the Freedomstyles Magic Hair Growth Oil, what I did, I mixed water and then the oil together, and I will just spray it on my scalp. I mix in water and the oil together. I will spray it on my scalp. This is the finished look. Until further notice, I don't know how long I will be keeping this. You can keep yours for 1 day or 2 days.
Can't walk away. Goodbye is a true lie told between us. So don't talk to me. Loving you is draining, but baby that's okay.
If I am to go to bed, I will just put a sack head bonnet, and then you can also order bonnet from me. And then you can see this is after 1 week. You can see how it looks. It looks rough. Like I said earlier on, you can keep yours for 1 day, 2 days. But me, I was very comfortable with the thread, and I left mine for 1 week. I will lose the thread, you can see, if you are even seeing it, you can see how the ends of my hair is well stretched, and then that is what I am after, and that is what is important to my natural hair.
Cause I'd rather be tired than strong without you. I hear your heart saying, even when we can't see all the perfect things about you and me, girl, we smile and make the pain go away. They say we won't stay, but we stay. Hey, somebody tell the world they can't hold us, cause don't you know we'll always be good and brothers. People come, people go, but baby we'll always be here. I don't wanna make the whole world hate us, but what we got makes the world.
There I can also reuse the thread. I will keep this and reuse again. You can see how my hair looks. Very easy to finger comb. Before using the thread, it was so hard to finger comb. You can see how it looks very easy. If I am to braid my hair right now, it will be very easy to section, and if I'm to style my natural hair, very easy, and the ends were stretched. I have no comb, I have no brush. Look at my hair. This is the way I usually stretched my natural hair using no heat. Just try and play with my hair. You see the ends, you see I can just run my fingers. I needed to trim my hair a little bit, which I will do, and then massage my scalp a little bit before I will go ahead and brush my hair. And then if you guys are seeing some white things on my hair, is because of the leave-in conditioner I used. That is why you guys are seeing white residue.
Jealous. People come, people go, people baby will always be lovers. Somebody tell the world they can't hold us, cause don't you know we'll always be good and brothers. People come, people go, but
I hope you guys enjoyed this video like as I enjoyed filming it. Don't forget that details will be in the description box in case you are interested to order my oil, hair bonnets, black soap, shea butter, the thread, etc, etc, etc. You can see I use the tango brush to brush my hair. This is how it looks. If you enjoyed this video like as I enjoyed filming it, give a huge thumbs up, share with friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.